Welcome back, everyone. So today I might have went to the Apple store and I got me these, the new Airpods Pro, and I'm going to make sure that these don't go through the washer like these did. Case doesn't work, but I don't know if I could get another charging case if these would come back to life, but I decided to save a little bit more and get these. So it's the AirPods Pro. They have noise cancellation, they have transparency, and then of course you can turn it off. They have wireless charging as well. The first gen don't. And they also have turned on where you can just talk to them. Also, when you have a text message come in, they will read it to you if you have it turned on. So, with nothing further to do, let's get right into them. I know it has a pull tab here, but we all need a trusty knife. Trusty unboxing knife. Oops, I just cut the case. Well, cut the box. There's stuff. Oops. That is probably loud. Okay, let's see. We'll get to that in a minute. What's in here? Designed by Apple in California. Let's see. Do we have any Apple stickers? We don't. Come on, Apple. Let's see. How to set it up, blah 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 blah. Works with all devices, and she just activated. One press, play and pause. Two presses, just skip forwards. Three presses to go backwards. Of course, you can just say to activate, sorry. Long press can toggle between transparency mode and noise cancellation. Okay. You have three different types of cushions, as these don't have cushions. So we'll figure out that in a minute. Case, okay, blah blah blah. Time to get what we all came here for. Come on. Ooh. 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 These are heavier. They're a lot nicer. So, we still have the lightning cable. What about USB-C? Okay. Come on, Apple. USB-C's here. Everyone else's. We'll open that in a minute. And make you guys wait. What else is in the box? Different tips and the wires. If I can get it undone. Oh, hey, look. USB-C. Oh, hey, look. Thunderbolt. Lightning cable, I mean. It's not the Thunderbolt. This is the lightning cable. There's a difference here. USB-C, lightning cable. Why doesn't this have USB-C? Come on. So, there's the cord. Anything else in here? No. Let's see. Oh. We have the earbuds. Small's on top, right here. Largest down there. Phone. Still rocking the iPhone 6s. Still has a headphone port. But to be honest, I like wireless headphones better. So, open it up. And right there. It saw it. But my camera sees me. Airpods Pro. So, connecting. Green light comes on. A little animation. Okay. Announce messages. See, here you go. This is what I was saying. Announce messages. Okay. Get back on my face. I'm going to say yes. Announce message. Okay, first try. This is the right one, I believe. Ooh, there's the little notification bell that it's in. Okay. Oh, wow. Can't really hear it, but I think the noise cancellation is on. Maybe not. It's connected. Let's go in here. Noise cancellation is on. Transparency. Okay. Holy moly. Wow. That is really different. Transparency off. Okay. Oh. Holy moly, wow. Okay. I'm gonna play some music. Obviously this test here, you guys can't hear it. So I have noise cancellation on. So now I have transparency, possibly. Oh wow. I can hear everything outside. And my music's still playing. Okay, this is noise cancellation. I can't hear myself. I know I'm talking, but I can't hear myself. So, is it worth upgrading? Definitely. I'm gonna go plug my phone in. It's at 83%. And I'm gonna go listen to music.